Alright, so today I'd like to talk about these 4 trains. Just to clarify, these are converted trains. You can't buy them at the Transit Museum. Well, you can buy the trains like originally, but like you can't buy like the actual converted ones. You have to do them yourself, just like I did. So the 9 train was supposed to be a 1 train. I have a 1. I bought 2 more 1 train cars to convert them into 9s. Same goes for the K train. I have a C train already, but I bought 2 more extra seat cars to convert them into letter Ks. The V train, you guessed it, it's the same. They're basically M trains that I converted into Vs. Ws, they're basically just N trains that I converted into Ws. They look pretty alright in my opinion. But yeah, just to clarify, these are just converted trains. Another example, the 6 and 7. So these are express, but on the back, they're local. They're just converted. So, just to clarify, these are converted trains. So are these, but like they're kind of like half converted. So anybody who is wondering, this is what it is. So once again, the 9 train was a 1 train. The K train was a C train. The V train was an M, and the WN. So, and another thing, I still don't have the E train. I've been looking for it everywhere, and I can't find it. I mean, I see them in like websites and like eBay, but they cost a lot, and like why would I waste my money for that? Anyway, so maybe someday I'll find the E train. I'll make a full collection video. And the R188 7s, 7 trains. I'll get those soon. So I'll probably make a video on that. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it.